Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to part 2 of experimental film tips. Going to use this spool of film that I've gotten for free, and you can get stuff like this in a thrift store. It has vintage images on it. I'm going to remove a large portion of it and go through a process of removing the viewable image right here and just be left with the clear part. Okay, and use that for an experimental film clip. Alright, so I'm going to show you the process and let's get started on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do first here is go through the celluloid with my jeweler's loop right here and make a selection of what I want and see what's really on this. Once I found it, I just cut off a clip and go through the process of removing the image itself. Okay, I've checked this out and it appears to be some type of an interview from long ago. So, get a good portion of it, basically where people's backs are turned, and I'm going to go ahead and make a cut. There we go. Moving forward. Okay, next, put you some bleach in a bucket and take the film and drop that celluloid in there. Put it down in the bottom, mix it around, and it'll start getting removed the viewable image. Okay, next remove the celluloid from the bucket, and with a toothbrush start removing it, scraping it off. You want to repeat this process from going from here back to the bucket of bleach until you remove all the viewable image. Alright, so as you can see here, everything's starting to remove. You want to make sure that you get everything clear, because the clear part is what you want. Okay, so next you go ahead and rinse it off, the film. You want everything clean and clear as much as possible. If you got a few black specks on there, color specks, then you're doing just fine. That can add to the effect. And that is a desired achievement we want. Next, you want a line to hang your celluloid. Put yourself a cloth around it and just go straight down to dry it. Just like so. And let this dry. When it does, you can continue work. Okay, so what you want to do here is take your paint pen and different pens that you have and go ahead and start making whatever type of design you want to. I've got the silver there, some brown here, I'll go back over a bit, and here I've got the highlighter, fluorescent green. And I'll also add different colors to it as well. You can add shapes, designs, anything you want. This particular system I'm using right here has been used by some of the late great experimental filmmakers. So this is a great way to do it. When you play it back later through the projector, the colors will show up in the obvious situations. Okay, so here you can see I've went ahead and painted in various areas, different colors, onto the film. Alright, so I'll let this dry and I'll go through it again with even more paint for more color, a complete and total color. You can also leave it like this if you like. It's totally up to you. This process is called, of course, film painting. Okay, now so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the film from the plexiglass just like so. I'm going to go ahead and hang it up on the line for drying. So for now, that's it. I'll let this dry, and then later I'll check it once the paint's dry. And so forth, that's it. Do contact me at the social media outlets located on the screen, and do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!